upload, simple lang pero solid ang mode. Sa edit niya makilig at tawa, vibe may feel good pag pamilya at tropa. Panabitong pitang bidali.
Corinne is there.
Where is Corinne? Corinne working.
Night shift now.
Corinne, we are here.
She go out at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock.
Yeah, then she finish around 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Casey comes 7 o'clock.
Ah, really?
3 p.m.
Where? Okay. Ayan. So, lumabas kami ng aking friend. Ayan, oh. Medyo matagal-tagal na din. How many months? 1 month?
Here?
When you come back before? When you come before?
Yeah, it's already
1 month. Ito po ang Les Arcs Hotel and Casino Restaurant. At ayun ang President Hotel. Yun. Tapos ito ang I forgot. Ito ang Wynn. Nasa video ko yun kanina. Yung para kay Kapitana. Ayan, Wynn. Oh. Tapat-tapat lang po yan. So, pag pumasok ka dyan, may video na, may pagkain pa. Tojo, have the show?
Yeah, this is a new one.
Let's go.
Let's see first. Our market.
Let's go first.
Where?
Here. Check first. Okay. Check first. So, later when you come there, when you come back, is hungry la. You can eat more. Oh. Ayan, at tatawid kami dito. Parang may show. Titingnan lang. Dito ay ang Wynn. Kasi may show po dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Ay, is casino. Oh.
Kasama po casino.
Oh. Is casino, Tojo. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? Okay. So, tingnan muna namin kung may show din eh. Oh, kasi ito ay casino. Pero uhaw na siya, guys. Gusto niya ng uminom. Hindi naman pwedeng pumasok doon kasi ang dadaanan natin ay casino. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-live mag-video. Mapapalo tayo. So, dito na lang. Ayan ang Les Arcs Hotel, oh. Kasi doon kami bumaba sa dulo. So, tumawid at bumalik. Ako. Natin alam kung may music ito. Ay, may copyright. Lakas. Ayun, Star World Casino. Oh. Nakakalimutan ko. Star World Casino. Hotel and Casino. At itong kasunod ay Les Arcs Macau. Opposite po niyan ay ang Wynn. So, ang sumunod naman ng Wynn, yung MGM. Mas marami pong po doon. So, itong aking kasama, na-miss niya daw yung uminom. So, instead na pupunta ako sa boarding house, ay, hindi na. Sabi niya, dito ka na lang matulog sa bahay ko. Dahil long time friend ko naman to. Kaya okay lang. Oh, di ba? May mga pera-pera nang lumalabas. Oh. Ayan, guys. Hi! So, ayan, guys. Oh. Diyan yung papunta ng Consulate. Diyan. So, balik kami dito. Kung anong show meron. Pero parang wala. Pag may copyright, edi ano natin, re-upload. O, diba? Ayan. Layo. Pagka ang sinakyan nyo po ay 102, ayan, tandaan nyo lang itong Star World. Ayan. Star World. Wala kasing magandang view dyan eh. Doon lang sa ano, sa lobby. Here. Ayan. Diyan po ang bus stop ng 102 sa kabila dyan sa gilid. Oh. Ay, wala pong show. Walang show. Walang show, guys. Ayan, oh. Doon, oh. Woo! Walang show. Gabi na. Wala na. Ayan, ito yung nakikita ko kay Warrior God of Ken. Huh?
It's changed.
Maybe no more.
No more now. Tomorrow again.
Yeah. Hey. No more show. Here. 12. This time. 12 noon. 6:50. 7 to 10.
Tomorrow lang.
Tomorrow afternoon. So, let's go, guys. No more. Oh. 7. Let's go. Here? Oh, on the seaside. Let's go. Ay! Ayan. Medyo sumablay po. Hindi ko alam, naka-on pala yun. So, ikakat ko na lang. Ayan, oh. Dito po yung tree. Prosperity tree. Ganun pa rin. Prosperity tree pa rin. So, wala naman eh. Oh. Go na lang. Tojo, cannot. There is a casino. Back. So, yan. Nandito kami sa loob ng Wynn. Ito ang restaurant. So, pero hindi pwedeng pumasok ng casino. Ayan. Huh? Dark? Never mind. You have the background yellow. Oh, let's go. Okay.
If star, you just tap like this.
Okay.
Pink.
It's not dark, it's white.
Yeah. Yes. If star,
Okay,
tap
go.
like this.
One more. Have the girl this. Okay. One more. Ah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Ah, check. Take one, take two. Ayan. Ang ganda ng chandelier. Chandelier or chandelier? Oh, this one. When you turn around your face. Let's go. Okay. Go, 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 go. Dahil bawal po ang video. Ayan. Pag dito, ang ganda.
I want to cut a bit to my hand.
Ah, okay.
But if I cut now,
Hmm.
taking long time. There is cousin who cannot take
Yeah.
weekend.
Wow, ang ganda. Wow, nice.
Oh, nice.
Diamond. Yay. Ganda oh. Ah, before I have put there. Ano? Ayan. Dito po ito sa Win. Very nice flower. And the jar. See? And you see the diamond chandelier. Very nice. Oh, before I have photo. Okay. Go. More feet up. Okay, okay, go, go, go. I adjust. Okay. Next. One more. One more. Okay. You see my video? So trouble. One more. Okay. Good.
可以，我收它。你发回来还是你给我？那
Ayan, at let's go na. Tatanggalin kung may music yan, kung may copyright. Here. Diamond. Or what? This crystal. Nice one.
像我同学说谢谢我，那我该怎么接宝贝？
Wow, nice one.